I can't believe it's my senior year and CIAA tournament time. This journey has shaped me in ways I've never imagined. Winston Women leave our mark everywhere we go. From the court to the crown, we lead with grace and grit. I think back to 1938, Henrietta Hatton Clark, the first WSSU woman athlete inducted into the CIAA Hall of Fame. And I think of my sister queens, former Miss WSSUs who rose to become Miss CIAA. The legacy is set before me, and now it's time to walk in it. It's time to go back to Baltimore. Oh, yeah, I think I'm ready.
I am Rihanna Grace Barrentine, a biology scholar from the city of Southern Charm, Charleston, South Carolina, competing to be your Miss CIAA 2026. WSSU Story is powered by Women Who Lead.
Our women's basketball legacy speaks for itself. Lawrence Jennings, the first to score 1,000 points and drafted to the pros. All-time leading scorer Carolyn Huntley, Sharon Holloway with over 1,072 rebounds. Amaya Tucker, our first CIAA Player of the Year. Our legacy isn't only measured in stats. It lives in the Red Sea of Sound, led by Davian Richmond, our first women drum major in CIAA history. It breathes in the powerhouse cheerleaders of red and white, carrying the legacy of former coach and Hall of Famer Deborah Rivers. Winston Women lead beyond athletics under our first woman chancellor, Bonita J. Brown, and Winston Women are CIAA basketball.
And now I need your help to take this legacy even further, to become the next Miss CIAA. And I want you to come back to Baltimore because February is CIAA.